A journey, over. The language, think over. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive deep into phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on one common verb we use when we need some time to contemplate. The phrasal verb, think over. First things first, what does think over mean? It's a phrase we use when we need to consider something carefully before making a decision. It's often used when we're faced with important choices and we need a little time to weigh the pros and cons. For example, if someone offers you a job, you might need to think it over before accepting or rejecting the offer. Now that we understand what think over means, let's take a look at some examples. This will help you to understand how to use it in your own speech and writing. Example 1. I need to think over the proposal before I can give you an answer. Example 2. She asked him to think over their relationship and what he really wanted. Example 3. They decided to think over the investment opportunity overnight. In terms of sentence structure, think over can be used in a few different ways. Let's examine them. 1. Direct object. You can think something over, where something is the thing you're considering. For example, I need to think over your offer. 2. Without an object. You can also just think over, with the understood meaning that you're thinking about the situation or context that's been previously discussed. For example, this is a big decision. I need to think over. Finally, let's go through some synonyms. Knowing these will help you enhance your vocabulary and improve your English fluency. Some synonyms of think over include contemplate, ponder, mull over, consider, deliberate. And there you have it. We've covered the meaning of think over, seen it in action with some examples, learned how to structure sentences with it, and even explored some synonyms. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to think over what you've learned today, and remember, practice makes perfect. Happy learning and see you in our next video.